As India propels its infrastructure forward, the 21 kilometers underground tunnel for the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train stands as a symbol of progress. This significant project features India's first 7 kilometers undersea tunnel beneath Thane Creek. 5 kilometers will be carved out using NATM and 16 kilometers will be excavated using TBM. Precise tunnel linings, essential for the structure's stability and longevity, are manufactured at the Thane Mehpe casting yard. This engineering marvel showcases our commitment to speed and connectivity, symbolizing our stride towards Viksit Bharat, Sashakt Bharat.